Children, today we are going to discuss the question papers on General Organic Chemistry. Have you visited all my previous videos? 16 videos I have uploaded till now based upon General Organic Chemistry. Based upon those 16 videos, I have prepared which are the expected questions which we need to focus more. Based on that, I have prepared one simple question paper of 45 questions. Before going to these videos, better that one more question paper video I am going to upload it. That question paper video just to upload, take the screenshot, solve yourself. If any doubt are there, then you can verify the answer with my discussion. Okay, so let us move to question number 1 of today's question paper. Question number 1. What is the question? Arrange the following free radicals. Question is related to what? Following free radicals in the order of decreasing stability. Tell me what? Decreasing stability. Decreasing stability. They have given the 4 molecules over here. In the decreasing order, they are expecting answer from us. What are those 4? We'll write one by one. First radical, they have given it as methyl. Second radical, what they have given? Vinyl. Third, what they have given? Allyl. Fourth, what they have given? Benzyl. Okay, so let us move to one by one discussion. Better that before going to the option, we'll write their respective molecular formula. Methyl free radical CH3 dot, vinyl CH2 double bond CH dot, allylic CH2 double bond CH, CH2 dot. And what is benzylic? We'll write benzylic like this. Okay. Now we are going to discuss. Based upon this, they are expecting the answer to be arranged in the decreasing order of stability. This is the question paper. This is the question. They are mentioned in the question paper. Now we know very well that carbon free radicals are sp2 hybridized. They are stabilized by positive inductive effect, or we can say resonance also. Resonance are nothing but what? Recall just delocalization. Therefore, amongst these 4, which will undergo more delocalization? 4th one. That's why I'll write first one as, tell me which one I should write first? Benzylic. Benzylic. Further, amongst these 3, which will undergo next resonance? Allylic. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 dot. Now question left out between, very tricky point left out now, between methyl free radical and vinyl free radical. One thing you need to remember that always vinyl will be least. Therefore, we can write next as primary, that is methyl free radical. Next is, what is left out? Vinyl. This is our answer. Therefore, we can write the answer. Correct option with respect to number, they will expect the answer. Benzylic is 4th. 4th is greater than 3, which is greater than 1, which is greater than 2. This is the answer for question number 1. Clear to you? Okay. So let us move to second question. We'll move to one by one. Remember one thing, in 1 minute we need to, before 1 minute we need to select the answer. That's why before going to the question, we should have the clear picture with respect to question paper. Second question, what they have mentioned, which of the following is most stable? Question number 2. What they said? Which of the following is most stable? Most stable. They have given 4 molecules, 4 options over there. First option, what they have mentioned, tell me? PH3C+. PH3C+. Second option, what they said? PH2CH+. All the options are related with what? Tell me? Carbocation. Correct. Third option, what they said? pH. Okay. They have mentioned it as pH CH2+. It is a benzylic. And the fourth option, what they said? Related with fourth option pH CH2+. Diphenyl. Whereas a monophenyl, what they said? Triphenyl carbocation. Diphenyl carbocation, same way they have given diphenyl carbocation, but actually this is not at all possible. That option they have given, we need to consider. Fourth option they have given it as benzylic carbocation. Now question is most stable. We know very well that like free radical, carbocation also sp2 hybridized. They too are stabilized by resonance. We know very well that pH group is nothing but what, tell me? Phenyl. In case of first option, 3 phenyl groups are linked to carbocation. How many phenyl group? Repeat the sentence. How many phenyl group are there? 3 phenyl group. So from the 3 side they are getting a chance of resonance. From 3 side they are getting a chance of resonance. Whereas here we are having 2 phenyl group. This molecule is not at all possible. Not at all possible. Not at all stable. Because already valence is satisfied. We cannot expect a carbocation at all. Whereas a benzylic free radical contain how many phenyl group? 1. Therefore, amongst all, we can write the answer as option number, which option, tell me? First option. Option number 1. What to write the answer over there? With respect to resonance. We need to write the answer based upon resonance. Shall we go to question number 3? Okay. Third question. What they have mentioned the third question? Which one is ambident ligand? What they are asking the question to you? Ambident nucleophile. Nucleophiles are ligand. Ambident nucleophile. Ligand are nothing but what? Nucleophile. That's why they have made the question. You may think that why coordination compound they have asked in the organic. With respect to ligand, they are called as Lewis bases. Those are nucleophile. Let them ask the question in any of the way. We should be able to answer the question. First one, sulfite ion SO3 2 minus. Second option, Cn minus. What they have mentioned the third option? NH3. What they have mentioned the fourth option? H2O. Before going to the answer, we'll see that what are ambident nucleophile or ambident ligand. Whenever the attacking site within the molecule is from 2V, those are called as ambident. That's why we can say that the option is cyanide. Have you remembered one example, children? Alkyl halide with alcoholic potassium cyanide. Alkyl halide with alcoholic silver cyanide. Alcoholic potassium cyanide will converted into what, tell me? Nitrile. Silver cyanide converted into isonitrile. Why it is so? We can correlate this question with one example, that because cyanide is ambident nucleophile. Cyanide is ambident ligand. That's why we can take the option as second option. Question number 3, which is option, tell me? Option number 3. Shall we go to next question? All the questions, most of the questions I have taken from the previous question paper. It should be benefited to you. But before going to the question paper, you need to practice once and you need to revise once whatever I said in previous videos. We'll move to what? Question number, tell me which question? Question number 4. Question number 4. What is the question? The basicity of aniline. What is the question? The basicity of aniline. Aniline. Okay? Less than. Basicity of aniline is less than that of cyclohexylamine. What? Cyclohexylamine. Due to what reason they are asking? Before that, we'll write the molecular formula. Aniline is C6H5NH2. Cyclohexylamine, no double bond at all. Cyclohexane containing NH2. Now, if you compare both, what difference we are expecting? What difference we are going to observe over here? Functional group is same. Both are containing lone pair of electron. Both are Lewis base, but the difference is that aniline will show positive isomeric effect or positive resonance effect. But that effect is not possible in cyclohexylamine. We can say that in case of aniline, in case of what I said, aniline, lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen will be undergoing resonance with benzene. Have you remembered? Pi electrons are going to be moved around the benzene. NH2 group or donor group. They are donating the electron because according to the Lewis base, what we can say? Molecule or ion, they are capable of donating one or more lone pair of electron. But instead of donating, they themselves are undergoing resonance. Therefore, 4 options they have given over here. We got one idea that they will show positive isomeric effect. First option, minus R effect. First option they have given, minus R effect of NH2 group. This option is wrong because it shows plus R. Second option they said, minus I effect of NH2 group. This is also wrong. Third option what they said, plus R effect of NH2 group. Is it true? Yes, this answer is correct. What they said, fourth one, hyperconjugation. We can't think of hyperconjugation for such molecule. Therefore, we can write the option as third option. Option number third. Option number third. Okay. So let us move toward the question number 5. What is the question number 5? It is related with definition based. Inductive effect involved. This question number third option. I have written over here option number C. Okay. So let us move to fifth question. Inductive effect involved. What is the symbol for inductive effect? Tell me. I effect. Good. Inductive effect involve what? Have you remembered the children definition? They said inductive effect is a permanent effect where polarity is created by displacement of sigma electrons towards more electronegative element. By keeping this in the mind, we will come to the option. First option they said displacement of sigma electron. I write in short. Go through my question paper, you can come to know detail. Displacement of sigma electron. Second option they said delocalization of pi electron. Delocalization of what they said? Pi electron. What is the third option? Delocalization of sigma electron. Delocalization of sigma electron. What they said fourth option? Tell me. Displacement of pi electron. Displacement of pi electron. Based upon what I said, the definition, based upon that, tell me the answer. Yes, option number 1. So therefore, option is option E. If you are perfect with the base, within 1 minute you can answer such type of question. This question is very simple. But actually this question they have asked many times in competitive exam. All the points whichever they have mentioned in the NCERT book, we cannot think that paper is question is simple whether they are going to ask or not. Our concept should be clear. Okay. Let us move to question number, which question number tell me? Question number 6. Question number 6. The increasing order of stability of following free radical. Question number 6. Increasing order. What? Increasing order of stability of following free radicals. Again, the question is related with free radicals, but the concept is different. What they said that they are comparing what first we will see. They are comparing phenyl substituted as well as methyl substituted. We will write one by one option. First option they said dimethyl free radical. What they said second? Trimethyl. Okay. What they said further? diphenyl. Okay, next they said triphenyl carbon free radical. Okay, like that they said second option triphenyl carbon free radical, then diphenyl, then trimethyl, further dimethyl. These four molecules only they have made here and there to arrange in the increasing and decreasing order. Diphenyl, okay, triphenyl, further trimethyl, further dimethyl. Last option, fourth option, dimethyl, then trimethyl, triphenyl, then diphenyl. These four options I need to write on the board because they are given directly over here. We need to arrange in the increasing order of their stability, they said. We need to arrange in the increasing order of stability. As I said earlier that in question number 1, carbon free radical stabilized by positive inductive effect and as well as by resonance. Amongst all you can see that more resonance are possible in triphenyl. More resonance means what? It should be highest. Triphenyl, then diphenyl, then tertiary, then secondary, then what? Primary methyl. Therefore, correct option is first one. We can write the answer, both the effect we need to remember. Carbon free radicals are containing odd number of electron, therefore they are stabilized by what? Positive inductive effect as well as resonance, because resonance makes them stable. Therefore, which is the correct option? Option number E. Clear to you? Okay. So let us move to question number 7. Question number 7. What is the question number 7? We'll read. The stability of Me2. What it is? Me represent methyl, that you need to remember. Double bond CH2. Me2 C double bond CH2 is more than that of, it will be more, they are saying, more than that of CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. This will be more stable as compared to this. They are answer question to us. What they said? Due to first point, first answer they said inductive effect of Me group. Me is what? Me? Methyl group. Second option, what they said? Resonance effect of Me group. Third option, what they said? What they said? Third option, hyperconjugation of Me group. Fourth option, what they said? Resonance as well as inductive effect. Resonance as well as inductive effect, both. These are the four options. We know very well that according to this one, just to observe over here, I write the question once again. CH3 double bond CH2. This is methyl group. Okay. Linked to which carbon atom? Tell me. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. How many methyl groups are there? 2. Same way here, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. This is also sp2 hybridized, but this is ethyl group. Observe over here, methyl group linked to sp2 hybridized carbon atom make it what? More stable. But here we are having one ethyl group from one side. This can be explained on the basis of what? Tell me. Alkyl group linked to the carbon, which is sp2 hybridized. Which electronic effect it is? Are you remembering? Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation are also called as Baker-Nathan process. If they are asking sometimes the question related with Baker-Nathan process also, we need to answer in the same way, because hyperconjugation is nothing but it is a permanent effect, but it is a weak effect, where delocalization takes place between pi and sigma. Sigma from where? Alkyl group. Pi electron from where? sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, therefore we can say that for question number 7, which option is correct? Third option. Third option is correct.